guys are ready, I'm ready, and let's start doing our point count. So I am ready to start. Get my clock going here. I am ready to start now. All right, that's the first minute in. We're now in the second time band. And that's our second time band. So now we're in the third one. And there we go. There's our 3 minutes. All right, so I'm not sure what you're able to hear. This little spitty kind of sound next to me, like that guy. That's least flycatcher. Nice. Migrant. They don't breed here. Okay, so I can show you what I found on my list, and then the question is, did you find any of these birds? Not all of these birds. Did you find any of these birds? Did you get a cardinal? Indigo bunting? There's a great crested flycatcher. Red-bellied woodpecker. I got some weird things like pine siskins flying over. There were some white-throated sparrows here in the plot. Yeah, aforementioned least flycatcher. Swainson's thrush went a couple times. And the Carolina wren started singing right toward the end, and Carolina chickadee came in toward the end too. So actually on the plot I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 species. And then as flyovers or distant things, crow, Canada goose, blue jay, and I heard red-eyed vireo and northern parula, which would have been probably pretty tough to pick up on this. And then there were some flyover barn swallows. So all told, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 species in 3 minutes. How about that?